Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brittany. I am also known as SHOPFOXBURROW on sites like Poshmark and Etsy and Instagram and Clubhouse and all that different social media stuff, but this channel is mostly about reselling and fashion. And today I thought I would combine those two things and order a Thred Up Goodie Box for myself. So if you are a reseller, you are familiar with ThredUp most likely. They are an online consignment store where you can go and find items sometimes at a good enough deal where you can resell them, or sometimes resellers will send in their inventory to ThredUp and let ThredUp do the work to sell it for them. But this video is actually about their styling service. So they have what is called a goodie box, and you fill out a little survey, and similar to Stitch Fix, they will pull things and then send them for you to try on. The thing about the Thred Up Goodie Box is that a lot of it is secondhand. So sometimes there will be new tag stuff, but a lot of it is secondhand. When they first launched this service, I actually did try it. That was 4 or 5 years ago, and it was horrible. So I feel like I've had enough time to recover from how bad my last experience was, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it again. So this time I went in and I made sure that my sizes were on the larger size, because last time they sent me a ton of things that were like juniors sizes. So I'm sure you all know a large in Forever 21 is nothing like a large in Loft, and yeah, so I went with like the larger sizes, and so hopefully everything will fit, but we will find out what I got in this box. Okay, let's get into this. So I am going to pick out 5 pieces to try on for you guys, and we'll see if I keep anything, you know. I mean, maybe they sent some good stuff. So I did go through and I filled out their survey, which was quite long and extensive, very different from how it used to be. Put in some of my favorite brands, and I have a bunch of stuff in my purchase history now and a lot of things in my favorites history. So hopefully they got an idea of the type of thing that I like. They sent some good stuff. So this is what it looks like on the inside here. Just their classic polka dot paper. And yeah, I see some white. Alright. Some return labels and stuff. Okay. So here is what we are looking at. Yeah, I mean, alright, let's see what they sent, yeah? So I'm going to back the camera up so that I can show you better what they sent to me. Okay, so the first thing that they sent was these size 32 wide leg, new with tag, Loft pants. They are a high waist, wide leg crop, and I actually really don't like wide leg crops, but you know, we'll see. And I think these are going to be a little too big for me, but yeah, they're nice enough. Yeah. Next up is a Market and Spruce t-shirt dress. I actually had this in my likes. It's pretty cute. So I'm not upset that they sent that. I do not usually like horizontal stripes, but these are on the smaller side, so I feel like maybe I'll like this. It's got like that kind of retro 70s t-shirt dress vibe to it, so this is a size large. So this dress was really cute. It was a Stitch Fix dress, but when I got it, it did smell really strongly of like someone else's detergent. And I use scent-free detergent, so it was kind of like off-putting a bit. And then it didn't have any pockets, so in the pictures, sometimes I can tell if it has pockets, and I couldn't tell with this one. I did think that it was a cute look, but with the pockets and the smell, I just wasn't feeling it so much. And then on Instagram, this one was really kind of split, but the majority said return, so that's what I did. So that one came out of my likes, I'm pretty sure. What they do is somehow, I think they'll send like a mix of things that you've liked and things that the stylist picks for you. And it looks like they sent quite a bit of stuff, so. You do pay a $10 deposit to get this stuff sent to you. No shipping. And if you pick anything from the box, then the $10 deposit goes towards that. So this is another thing I think I had in my likes. It is a Lelise skirt, which is like a Stitch Fix brand. It is a kind of like faux wrap style skirt, so that is really cute. This little skirt was super cute. It was, again, a Stitch Fix skirt. I had it in my likes, but it was kind of clingy. It didn't have any sort of lining, so the fabric was like, you can see it here, clinging to the back of my legs really badly. So I'd have to wear a slip with it, and it didn't have pockets, so I really thought that this one was cute, especially for the photos, but ultimately I didn't think that I would end up reaching for it, and I actually have a ModCloth skirt that's pretty similar to this colorway, and so even though Instagram voted keep, I returned this one. And what is this? Ugh, LuLaRoe. This is a LuLaRoe shirt dress. Don't like the print. Don't like the style. Probably won't even try that one on. That's a definite no. Okay. What is this? This looks grody. CC Couture, size large, like hideous joggery pant things, except they are like Y2K-ish because they have this like horrible wide leg with like a split at the hem. Oh, I hate those. Next up is a Philosophy top. It's kind of like this boxy shape top. This actually looks like really cozy. I don't really wear a lot of white because I have children, but it is soft. It's got a hood, long sleeve. It's like a chenille type of fabric. Yeah, so I mean that's cute. Okay, this is I don't know what this is. Pink Rose size, extra large. See, that's like Junior's brand, so extra large will probably fit me. But this is like a cowl neck sweater. I don't know, this is just like a, I don't know. It's not that exciting. So far the things I picked out are okay, and I have not liked anything else, so we'll see. A few more items in here. Alright, what is this? This is a unbranded? Some kind of unbranded skirt. It is cute. It's got like this little almost like tree type of print on it. Yeah, very like ModCloth retro-y style, so I'll try that on. So this turned out to be a Bowden skirt. It was really cute, but it was too big for me. So I feel like if it had been the right size, I would have ended up keeping it, but it was a size 12 and the waist was probably 2 or 3 inches too big. I've really got it cinched down with the belt there. But I thought it was funny. I have this hat that is pretty much the exact same color as the skirt was, and I just thought that this overall look was very cute. This is the type of thing that I would wear to the flea market or just a day out with my family. But because of the size, I had to return it. This is a Alfond tee, just a kind of basic like navy t-shirt, which I don't actually really have any basic navy t-shirts, so maybe if I like it I'll keep it. I don't know, depends on how much it costs too. This blue top was very comfortable. It was just a nice little basic t-shirt. A little bit clingy, but not too bad, and I liked the V-neck on it, and overall I thought it was pretty flattering and I would have kept it, but I just really didn't like that price. It was kind of expensive for a t-shirt, and I don't know, I just felt like I didn't want to pay $25 for a t-shirt from ThredUp, so Instagram was a little bit split on this one, 55 keep, 45 return, but I returned it. And the last thing. Okay, this is a Poshmark from Anthropologie top. This is, I mean, it's so cute. It's a size large. It's like a peplum floral. And then the back has like this little like peekaboo down here at the back of the waist. It's kind of cute. Yeah, so I'll probably try that on too. This Anthropologie top I thought was pretty sweet. I did like the print. It did have a little bit of, I thought, like washwear, but I did like it with these jeans, and I obviously wouldn't normally wear a black bra with this, but for some reason Instagram deleted my poll on this one, and it did come up as a keep, and this is actually the one piece that I kept. And let's see how much, I'm going to see how much they charge for all of these. I will have put them on the screen for you, so this will not be a surprise for you. Let's see. That LuLaRoe dress is $25. Okay. The Anthro top is $25. The Loft jeans are $26. Overall, they kept most of the items under, looks like $27. How much is that? That blue t-shirt is $23.99. It's a hard pass. So overall, like unboxing first impressions, I felt like the stuff that I picked out and that was in my likes, I liked. And all of the stuff that they picked out, with maybe like the exception of the like ModClothy looking skirt and the Anthropologie top, those were okay. Those are my style, and then everything else, not so much. I mean, the Philosophy top was okay, but it's not really my style per se. Yeah, so let me know what you thought of the pieces that I tried on. If you think I should have kept anything, if you liked what I kept or thought I should have kept something else, or just like your overall impression and whether or not you would try this for yourself. Now, I will say that you can pick a box entirely of your likes, so if you just want to try on things that you have in your likes, you can do that. But I wanted to see like how their actual like styling process would go. I even uploaded a Pinterest board with like all of my like quirky, cute styles that I was interested in, and I just don't think that they nailed it at all. But if you are a masochist and you would like to try one of these boxes, I do have a ThredUp referral code down in the comments below where you can get $10 off your first purchase, and so maybe, I don't know if they'll let you waive the goodie box fee with that, but I mean, hey, 10 bucks is 10 bucks, right? So if you have never used ThredUp before and you want to give this a try, then I have to say that I recommend liking all of the things that you're interested in and then doing the box that way, because clearly their styling service still needs some work even after 4 years. And this just baffles me because they have so much to pick from. There's so much stuff on that site, and they just have things coming in all the time, every day, and it's just like, what is this? You know, these weren't even like brands that I said that I liked. Like I said, I liked ModCloth, I said I liked Anthropologie, Zara, Loft, Bowden, and certainly not LuLaRoe, so I don't know. I'm going to give this box a nice thumbs down, though. Thumbs down. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my harsh criticism of this box. Clearly, this video is not sponsored. I am not like a big enough channel for that or anything. But do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and give me a thumbs up on your way out. It would be much appreciated, as I am trying to grow this channel. Maybe someday I will get an actual sponsorship. Who knows? So, yeah, I'm going to stop talking now, and I'll see you later.